Hi everyone, winter is here, and with it come the chilly days. So what's better than a warm, delicious drink to brighten your mood? Today I'm bringing you a recipe for a cozy and special treat, coconut hot chocolate. This is a rich, flavorful, and heartwarming drink that I'm sure you'll fall in love with. But before we jump into the recipe, let me tell you something special about the key ingredients, coconut and chocolate. Coconut milk is not only creamy and delicious, but also rich in healthy fats that can give you energy and help keep you feeling full longer. It's also a great source of vitamins like C, E, and B complex, which are amazing for your skin and immune system. And chocolate, dark chocolate especially, is packed with antioxidants that help reduce stress and improve your mood. Plus, it's known to be good for heart health when enjoyed in moderation. Isn't that amazing? Now that you know why this drink is both delicious and nutritious, let's dive into the recipe. To make this delicious drink, you'll need the following: 2 cups of coconut milk to give it a smooth and unique flavor, 1/4 cup of dark chocolate, chopped for a rich and chocolatey taste, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to deepen the chocolate flavor, 2 tablespoons of sugar, or adjust to your taste, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract for added aroma and flavor, whipped cream, and shredded coconut or cocoa powder for garnishing. Now let's get started. 1. Warming the base. Visual of a saucepan with milk being poured. First, pour the coconut milk into a small saucepan and heat it gently over medium heat. Add the cocoa powder and sugar and stir until completely dissolved. 2. Adding the chocolate. Close-up of chocolate melting into the mixture. Next, add the chopped dark chocolate. Stir constantly until the chocolate melts and you have a smooth and velvety mixture. 3. Final touch of flavor, close-up of vanilla being added. Finally, add the vanilla extract and let the drink simmer on low heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Now it's ready to serve. 4. Serving the drink. Visual of the drink being poured into cups. Pour your coconut hot chocolate into beautiful cups. Top it with whipped cream and garnish with shredded coconut or a dusting of cocoa powder. And there you have it, coconut hot chocolate. A perfect winter treat to keep you warm and cozy while delighting your taste buds. But don't forget one important thing: nothing beats spending time with your loved ones, enjoying a warm drink like this. Treasure these moments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your lovely comments below. Until next time, stay warm and happy. Bye.